check your printer web services status using the HP app. Do you need to check your printer web services status to see if your printer is ready for web-connected services like HP Print Anywhere or ePrint? We'll show you how to do it from the HP app in just a couple minutes, so you can start printing. If you don't have the HP app, you can get it for free from 123.hp.com or your app store. In the HP app, select your printer. Then select View All in the printer settings area. Select Advanced Settings. Then select OK if prompted. If the security warning appears, select the option to proceed to the site. Accessing the Printer Advanced Settings site will not harm your device. Select Web Services. Then select Web Services Settings. Select Summary. Submit your printer PIN if prompted. You can find the PIN on a label on the printer. It's often in the cartridge area or on the back of the printer. If you can't find the PIN on the label, you can find it on the printer information page, which is also available from the advanced settings. The web services status now displays. If web services isn't enabled, you can follow the setup prompts to turn it on.